Dear friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. Today I am going to prepare sago porridge or javarisi kanji or sabudana porridge. So the needed materials are sabudana or sago, javarisi, green gram dal, coconut cut into pieces, little quantity of moringa leaves, curry leaves, few shallots. I will cut these shallots into small pieces. Cumin seeds, that is jeera, peppercorns, that is black pepper, and this is known as ajwain, or popularly in English it is known as bishop's weed or carom seeds. So about the medicinal properties of these carom seeds we will discuss at the end of this video, and then needed quantity of salt. Now let us start the preparation. I am going to prepare this porridge for 2 persons as a morning breakfast. So for 2 persons I am going to take 2 cups of sago, 1 cup, and the second cup. We have to roast it. There are 2 types of sago available in the market. I am using these white pearls. Now this is half fried. With this I am going to add this broken green gram dal. Till we get the nice aroma, we have to fry this one. No need of oil to this food. Actually, we will not season this food. Instead, we use the seasoning materials to fry along with this, and we will make oats powder. So now with this I am going to add these peppercorns. Now I am adding these cumin seeds, that is jeera. With this I am adding this ajwain seeds, that is carom seeds or bishop's weed seeds. Now almost it got roasted. Now we have to make it oats powder. It is almost done. So I am switching off the stove. We will keep it aside to get cooled before we put it in the mixie. So by meantime we will prepare the shallots and these moringa leaves. Now this has reached the room temperature. So I am transferring it to the mixie. We will coarse powder it. Now this is ready. We have made it into coarse powder and all the other materials are ready. So we will start the preparation now. So I am keeping a vessel. I am adding water to this. We have to add this coarse powder with water when the water is cold itself. The water should not get heated. So before that we have to add and we have to mix it. Stir it well. Till the water reaches the boiling point. We should not close the vessel. Then and there we have to stir it like this. Now it has started to boil, so I am reducing the heat and I will close it with the lid. Now it is half boiled. It's boiled half, so it's time to add curry leaves and cut shallots. So now we can add the needed quantity of salt also. If salt is needed later on also we can add. We should not put more. Stir it nicely. Close it for a few minutes. Almost it is ready. Only for a few minutes we will wait. This coconut and drumstick leaves we have to add later. Now curry leaves and onion, that means shallots, they got cooked. So now I am switching off the stove and now I am adding this moringa leaves and coconut. Just give it stir. And keep it closed for a few minutes. Now this is ready. We will transfer it to the serving dish. Now this sago porridge or sabudana porridge or jawarisi kanji, it is ready. Already in our channel I have posted sabudana khichdi. So I will give the reference in the link in the description box and I will add it in the cards also. So now let us enjoy this porridge and then we will discuss about the medicinal properties of carom seeds or ajwain. Friends, this is commonly known as ajwain and in Tamil it is known as omam. The plant which produces this seed is a herbaceous plant and it is an annual herb. This fruit belongs to Schizocarp type. So the same type of seeds are produced by cumin and coriander also. Even carrot also belongs to the same category. The scientific name of this plant is known as Trachyspermum ammi and it belongs to the family Apiaceae. Commonly in English it is known as bishop's weed and sometimes it is known as Ajovan caraway also. But in South India it is popularly known as omam and it gives a very good aroma because of the presence of thymol in this. It is giving that strong odor. It is commonly used in Indian cuisine and it is one of the important component in herbal medicine and Ayurveda. In India, the producer of this seed is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the leading producer of this ajwain. An important prescription drug, methoxsalen, is produced from this ajwain only. The scientific classification of this plant I will give in the description box so that you can refer it. It belongs to Apiaceae family. Ajwain water is a popular medicine. Now let us prepare that ajwain water. To prepare ajwain water, I am heating the vessel. We have to roast this ajwain a little. to prepare that water. We have to get that strong aroma from this. It starts to splutter. And I am getting the strong aroma from this. So now I am switching off the stove. Let it cool for a few seconds and then we will add water with this. Now I am adding water with this. It has to get boiled for few minutes. This water is used throughout the country. It is taken to cure cough, cold, stomach pain and even to cure body pain. Commonly it is given to all the babies and toddlers. It has started to boil, but it has to boil till the color of the water changes. So now I am reducing the heat. This water is a very good medicine. Phytochemical analysis of the seeds reveals that presence of thymol and a number of terpenoids. Since there are a number of terpenoids present in these seeds, we have to use it in less quantity. Only little quantity I have taken, like that. Only little quantity is enough to consume. Now the color of the water has changed, so it is fine now. We will take it and filter it and drink. So friends, this water is ready. Look at the color of the water. It is golden in color. So friends, enjoy this video. Give your valuable comments, like it and share it. Thank you. See you in the next video.